Hey everybody, it's Mr. Couch Tato, and we have two things to review today. We have this. Oh, you're gonna love this one. We have Dollar General dark chocolate. Very good. Ooh, look at that. And here, let me turn this light on over here so you can get more light on the products. And we have. Get this mail out of the way. We don't want no mail in here. We have Sweet Smiles Select Dark Chocolate Pistachio Bar. Okay? And this looks very good and very excited to try this. I've been craving dark chocolate, so we're going to start with this. Start with this dark chocolate. It's 100%. First ingredient is cocoa mass. And then you got sugar. So this is like basically 100% dark chocolate here. Cocoa mass. I don't know what cocoa mass is. Mmm. Oh boy. Look at this bar. Look at this beautiful, beautiful bar. Let's give it a try. Mmm. We're trying the dark chocolate bar. Mmm. Mmm. Oh man. This is so good.
Yeah.
Not as sweet as most chocolates. Very delicate flavor, I would say. Very good dark chocolate flavor. Mmm. Yeah, that's so good. You want to try some?
No, thank you.
You don't like dark chocolate?
I'm thirsty.
My mother, very thirsty. Now we're going to try Sweet Smiles Select. This is the dark chocolate pistachio bar. My friend Ian reviewed this one. Shout out to him. I'll leave a link to his channel and the video in the description. Oh my god, it comes in a shiny package. Let's open it. Let's see the flavors that he experienced here. Mmm. It's got a cacao pod on it. See if you can see that. There we go. Snap it. There's a little cross section. You can see some of the pistachios. No, I dropped it. Okay. Really similar to the other one. Not as sweet as a normal chocolate would be, which I like about it. First ingredient in this one is sugar, though. Then it's cocoa liquor, whatever. I don't even care. Whatever that is. Cocoa butter.
Oh, bro.
What?
Hold on, I gotta get it again.
My mother has found something. This pistachio bar is really good. I recommend getting both of these if you like dark chocolate. Which one's better? No clue. I really don't know. They're about the same. I want to say the Sweet Smiles is better. But also, I really like the flavor of the Dollar General. They're both really good. Just give them a try. And you can figure that out yourself. Oh, it's a kitty. Extra kitty cat. No, it turned off. Oh well. Mmm.
Okay.
Pretty good. I don't really taste the pistachios that much in here, but it's a very good chocolate bar. What if I turn my brightness up? Ooh, mama. There we go. So, I hope you enjoyed this short review. It was very, very delicious chocolate. And see you in the next one. Goodbye.